Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Roccas salad. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 large bunch of crisp Rocca, also known as arugula, which should be washed very well. Next, prepare about 1/2 cup of vibrant cherry tomatoes, cut in half, and 1/4 cup of thinly sliced red onion for a subtle bite. Finally, have 1/4 cup of crumbled feta cheese and 2 tablespoons of toasted pine nuts ready to go. Now, let's create the perfect dressing to complement our fresh greens. In a small bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of high-quality extra virgin olive oil with 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Then, add 1/2 teaspoon of sumac for a tangy note, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together vigorously until they are beautifully combined and slightly emulsified, creating a vibrant dressing. With our ingredients prepped and dressing made, it's time to assemble this delightful salad. Start by placing the thoroughly washed and dried Rocca leaves into a spacious mixing bowl. Next, gently add the vibrant halved cherry tomatoes, the thinly sliced red onion, and the creamy crumbled feta cheese over the Rocca. Remember to pour the freshly prepared dressing over all the salad ingredients just before you plan to serve it, ensuring maximum freshness. Finally, let's talk about serving your magnificent Rocca salad. Gently toss all the ingredients together in the bowl, making sure every leaf and piece is evenly coated with that delicious dressing. For an extra layer of texture and flavor, sprinkle the 2 tablespoons of toasted pine nuts over the top. Serve this fresh and vibrant Rocca salad immediately, either as a light and healthy meal on its own or as a refreshing side dish to your favorite main course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.